Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this bitmap on Facebook, and somebody's already answered their question correctly, but I'm visual. So just go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. This is really easy. And when it traces it, you can see the white in the center of the letter. So go right here to remove from entire background. It removed and then all you have to do is left click, and if you're going to cut this out, right click, make sure it's a hairline, and that'll cut out. Now, if you need more, I don't know if he needs any outline around that, but I'm just going to go there since this was so easy. I'm going to go to Effect and Contour. I'm going to contour the outside, but I need to do it in rounded corners, and I'm going to do like 0.25 of an inch. That might be too little. And then that way, all you have to do is go to Object, break the contour part. And when you click on this, go up to Object. If you don't want that cut out, break Curve apart, and then you can get rid of those little bitty lines. And you could fill this in, make this a red hairline to cut it out. And I'm going to make it red. And then take well, surely we could just go right here and make black. But then take away the outline so it won't cut out that outline. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.